Hello, this is Cindy from CindyLouPins, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the face of the dog. We have the bottom layer completely stitched already. If you're a complete newbie at this and you don't know how to do this, you can check out my other videos where I explain in detail what to do with the yarn and the plastic canvas mesh. I'll put a link in the description below. But in this video we're going to focus on the top. So I've got my needle with my black thread. The first step is I'm going to flip it over and find a place to tuck it underneath. Be careful not to pull it through. And I'm going to do the nose first. So I'm going to find the middle, bottom row, and pull through. Again, being careful not to pull through on the back. And I'm just going to loop around the bottom and do this 3 times to make the nose. Here's our second time, around the bottom of the mesh, and then one more time. And here's my dog nose. Okay, from here I'm going to move on to do the eyes. So pick where you want the eyes to go. I think I'll put one right here. Now the eyes are going to be made out of French knots. If you don't know how to do a French knot, you can head over to my French knot video and learn how to do that. So I'm going to put one eye here. I'll go around twice to make an eye a little bit on the smaller side. And pull through. And then figure out where I want my next eye. Be careful with the French knots because once you do them, it's very hard to undo them. So I'll make that one right here. Okay, and one more step, we're going to outline the ears. So I'm going to come over to the bottom here. I'm going to flip it over to make it easier. I'm going to go around the bottom and then just do every other stitch. But don't go all the way up the ear because we still want the ear to be attached to the dog. We don't want it to look completely separate. So every other stitch, and then we'll go back down. Here we go. And you can choose to do one higher if you wish. And then we'll go over to the other side, do the same thing. And you see my tail is a little bit too long. Let's make that shorter. Loop around the bottom. And this is how you do the top stitching for the dog. So we've turned what was just a brown shape into an actual adorable dog pin. There we go.